We're having a sunset view here in the island of Miyagi o isang
Ikea of Makla.
ang ganda ng view. So this is a last minute booking. We book it past 3 p.m. na while we're driving around the island of Mr. Miyagi of Karate Kid. This is our hotel. What's the name of the hotel? What's the name of the hotel nga?
AJ.
AJ Panda, no? Ay, hindi pala Panda. AJ Resort, no? Here in the island of
Miyagi.
Island of Miyagi. So itong island ng Miyagi, this is an island that is reachable by bridge, no? From yung Uruma. Also, this is part of Uruma din, di ba? Part of Uruma. This is the kuan na siya. I think we're on the tip of the island, no? Facing the Pacific Ocean tayo. Pacific Ocean na. So this we're watching yung beautiful sunset here. And this is a room. Rating the room so far.
So nice.
No, nice.
Very nice.
This is the room. Then yung CR nila here. Ayan, so far. Nice. That's ayan.
What tab?
The bathtub. And they have private onsen. No? Tingnan. I'll check that mamaya. May private onsen daw sila. After my interview, 7 p.m. we'll be having our early dinner. But it's nice to watch, no? Savor yung sunset. If you want to check on our travels here in Okinawa, you can check my YouTube channel, no? Attorney Ray Cartojano ENP Rec Rhea Reb. That's the name. Mga travels, mostly raw videos, no? Hindi masyado edited. Purpose ko lang naman is just to preserve yung mga travels, and if you want to check on yung mga areas, no, or countries and destinations that we visited, no, you can check the channel. Mostly these are raw videos. Okay, so dinner kami dyan. That is yung restaurant. We have a booking at 6 p.m. for our dinner.